Hello guys, welcome back to a new video of Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can leave a review on your Justits application. Watch the video till the end. To leave a review on your Justit application, firstly open your Justit application. The home page of Justit will appear on the screen. Click on the settings option with the little gear icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. On the next page, click on How are we doing option. Rate your experience with the app by giving a rating based on your emojis and then leave a review by telling why you have given the particular rating with your experience with the app and then click on Submit. This is how you can leave a review on your Justits application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was useful to you. Thank you so much for watching.